Disabling two-factor authentication on Grubhub can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off this security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Grubhub website or open the Grubhub app and log in using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled security or privacy. Click on this option to access your security settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Click to turn it off. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the changes and ensure you receive a confirmation message. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Grubhub account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Grubhub's customer support for assistance.